Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a zipper for a bag and how to sew it on an already made bag. So if you're interested, keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and join our little fashion show and put your notification bell on so you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get into this video.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We're going to start by measuring the length of the top of the bag and the width of the top of the bag. We're going to mark the measurements that we just took on our fabric and then cut it out. And the piece that we just cut out, we're going to cut it in half again, and you're going to need 4 of these halves. For the zip, we're going to cut it a little bit longer than the length that we measured, and then mark where the flap ends on the zip. We're going to take another piece of fabric and then fold it in half, and these are going to be for our zip stoppers.
It's Big B, the prolific producer.
This is how our zip looks like after sewing on the stoppers, and now we're going to attach the flaps to the zip. It's really hard to explain, but you can see what I'm doing. We're going to move the flaps to one side and then pin the ones for the other side of the zip as well, and then sew it down. After sewing down the flaps, this is what your zip should be looking like, and then we're going to top stitch on the zip parts where I'm folding in a little bit so that our zip is a little bit invisible, but not entirely. After that, we're going to fold in on the ends of the flaps and then top stitch that so that it looks more neater on top of our bag. And then we are going to trim the sides of the flaps just to make it neater before we attach it to our bag. So we're going to take our flipper and put it under the length of the bag, like I'm doing here. And then we're going to do the same for the other side of the bag. Make sure when you're sewing down that you're not sewing down the other side of the bag as well under this flipper. And this is the finished product. This is how the top of the tote is looking. I also thought I'd give you guys a little bonus. I also had a board that I want to put under the bag, because when I put books and like heavy things, the under of the bag is kind of falling in, and I didn't like that. So we're going to also add a board. We're just gonna cut the size of the base. The board must be about 1 inch smaller, and then we're going to cut out the fabric is the same size of the board and sew around it.
It's Big B, the prolific producer.
So that is it, guys. That's how you prepare a zip and attach it to any bag that is open on top, just like this tote bag. And if you're interested in learning how I recreated this tote bag, you can watch this video right here up next. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.